It is a rush to judgment. They say that the support of one of the Gray family attorneys for your election is a conflict of interest, and they're calling for a special prosecutor.
And that's absolutely absurd. When you have a special prosecutor, where's the accountability? Someone politically is going to appoint someone else, and who do you hold accountable? The constituents of Baltimore City elected me to exercise my discretion and to apply justice fairly and equally with or without a badge. With reference to a conflict of interest, there is no conflict of interest. My husband represents the district in which I live. I am the Baltimore City State's attorney. I represent his district and 13 other districts throughout the city. I prosecute crimes there. I don't have to turn on the news and open up the newspaper in order to see the crime impacting my community. All I have to do is open up the door. Okay. So there is no conflict.
So then what happens, I mean, I don't know if you paid attention to what happened in New York. The wake of Eric Garner, the mayor had some strong comments about Eric Garner. There was 2 police officers who were murdered. It was a sort of horrific act. Really just gutted the city. The police department basically launched an open revolt against the mayor. I mean, they turned their back at funerals. I mean, if you come in next week and you start hearing from your lawyers that these cops aren't showing up to testify on court dates that you need to make your cases, like, what are you going to do? You
hold them accountable. That's unacceptable. I mean, you have to change the culture, and it starts with accountability. You asked me about the conflict of interest with reference to the family attorney. There is no conflict of interest. The family, Mr. Gray's family attorney donated to my campaign and supported me. I had over 700 people who donated to my campaign, including the FOP. So I don't see how there's any sort of conflict of interest with reference to that.